Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make an acorn necklace updated. Start by picking clean acorns, then let them dry fully before sealing to prevent splits. Next, gently sand tops, apply a thin coat of varnish, and let dry between coats. Carefully drill a small hole for a jump ring, attach the ring and chain, and finish with a protective coat before gifting or wearing. Gather the materials so you can move smoothly through each step and avoid interruptions. Use a 5 mm drill bit that matches your acorn size to reduce cracking. Pick a non-toxic varnish or clear resin for long-lasting protection and aesthetic shine. Have jump rings, pliers, and a lightweight chain ready so assembly is quick. Work on a padded surface to protect acorns and fingers while drilling. If you are finding this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making projects you enjoy. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a small comfort that pays off during long craft sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals related to this video. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Stabilize the acorn and mark the top center before you touch the drill to ensure a neat hole. Use a soft clamp, putty, or folded cloth to hold the acorn securely without crushing it. Drill slowly at low speed and pull back occasionally to clear dust and reduce heat. If friction becomes an issue, a dab of wax or a drop of water helps. Test fit the jump ring, then proceed to sealing and final assembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.